Discolored or stained floors can totally kill the vibe of your home, but fixing them doesn't have to be a huge headache. Alright, so if your floors are looking all stained or discolored, the first thing to try is sanding and refinishing. It's like giving your floors a fresh start by removing that old worn-out layer. If sanding sounds too intense, you can also use wood bleach for those stubborn stains. It helps lighten the wood without damaging it. Make sure you pick the right type of wood bleach depending on your floor finish, or you might end up with more problems. Always test a small spot first to see how it reacts. After bleaching, don't forget to seal or refinish to protect the wood and keep it looking fresh longer. If you want to keep things easy, regular cleaning with gentle products can prevent stains from setting in the first place. And hey, using rugs in high-traffic areas can also save your floor from getting all marked up again. One of the biggest issues with fixing discolored floors is not sanding evenly, which leaves your floor looking patchy. Make sure you use the right grit sandpaper and go slow. Another common mistake is skipping the test spot before applying wood bleach. That can cause weird discoloration or damage if your floor finish isn't compatible. Lastly, some folks don't reseal their floors after bleaching or sanding, so the wood stays vulnerable to stains and moisture. Always finish with a good sealant or polyurethane to lock everything in. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress and guesswork. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors themselves to connect with people looking for real work in their area.